Hi everyone, I am Sasikumar and Hi everyone, I am Sasikumar and this is day 56 of improving my communication skills. And today we are going to discuss on the topic that is uh, smart materials in the civil engineering branch. So, and before that, I told as we are reading the book The Art of Explanation by Ross Atkins, I have covered one chapter, means approx 3 to 4 pages already. So I'm not going to read this just because I have some other task. But I had already completed this. So I'm going to one second. So so let's start some points that points a smart materials in civil engineering. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's get this time shooting a video so that I can upload on Winter Arc Challenge. That is, yeah, I have covered chapter number second, part number two. Is there is two three questions. So I have in the question number two. Thinking about what your audience knows is important. Thinking about what they had lacked to know is vital too. We looked at that earlier in the case of my bushfires videos. But if I look back through the mists of time to a stint as a contributor on British Airways in flat radio, I definitely didn't ask myself this question. Okay, so let's start that GD point means topic once again. Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I believed I believe smart materials are becoming a major turning point in modern civil engineering. These are materials that can sense issues, react to environmental changes, and even repair themselves. With India's investing highly in smart cities and durable infrastructure, materials like self-healing concrete, safe memory alloys, and advanced polymers are becoming essential. They help us build structures that last longer, consume less maintenance, and offer higher safety, which is exactly what our growing infrastructure demands. Smart materials are advanced construction material that can change their properties based on temperature, stress, or environmental conditions. They make civil structure more durable, safer, and low maintenance. One of the most revolutionary example is self-healing concrete. According to global market research, the self-healing concrete industry is expected to grow from USD 27 million in 2024 to nearly 330 million by 2033. This growth is because self-healing concrete can automatically seal a small cracks using bacteria or a special polymers. This significantly increase the lifespan of bridge, pavement, and buildings, and reduce repair costs. Another import Another important smart materials is shaping memory alloys (SMAS), shape memory alloy alloys. Okay, these alloys remember their original shapes. When a building deformed during an earthquake, SMAs can turn to their initial form. Research shows that SMA dampers can reduce seismic vibrations by up to 40%, making a structure safer during earthquake, especially important for India's seismic zone. We have also we also have FRP, reinforced polymer, widely used for strengthening old bridges and buildings. FRPs offer 3 to 10 times the strength to the weight ratio of steel, making them perfect and once again Okay, okay. Wait, wait. We also have FRP, fiber reinforced polymer, widely used for strengthening old bridges and buildings. FRPs offer 3 to 10 times the strength to the weight ratio of steel, making them perfect and retrofittings without adding heavy loads. India is already using FRP wraps to extend the life of aging flowers. Another smart category of self-healing materials, usually using titanium dioxide (TiO2). The surface breakdown, dust, and pollutant using sunlight studies show self-cleaning coatings can reduce facet pollution by 20 to 30%, useful for buildings in polluted urban environments. Smart pavements and energy harvesting roads are also emerging. Some pilots project shows pavement generating 1 to 5 watts per square foot from foot steps and vibration, useful for street lights or sensors in smart cities. Overall, a smart materials allows us to build infrastructure that is long-lasting, environmental friendly, and future-ready for a developing nation like India, where maintenance is costly and safety is critical. A smart materials offers both economics and emerging advantage. Hi Jarvis, thank you, bro. Bhaiya. Yes, bro. I'm trying to improve, and yeah, that's we are practicing some topics that improves our uh, that helps me in future as when we are going to going for placements, as you know, the times to prepare ourselves. So we have just internship period is internship companies are coming for internships, as we are not eligible for that indirectly, but yeah. So thanks bro, but surely in placement we will do our best and grab the placements and other things. So yeah, guys, as I was doing some PYQs for it from environmental engineering, and then I was practicing some questions from irrigations, and yeah, definitely from next day I will practice some questions from irrigation RCC, as our exam is from our first midsem is from 24th November to 28th November. So I have to practice for that, because this is the last semesters where I can do come back. After that, there is no sense to improve in our CGPA, just because in the placement season. Oh, yeah, nice. So keep it, bro. Do hard works and practice questions, previous year questions, and yeah, just we initially I don't care about midterms, but from these terms I'm focusing on midterms as well, because midterms also helps to increase our CGPA. And I have, if it's visible, it's, yeah. Here I have written 8.79 CGPA. Oh my god, insane. Yeah, our director is uh, trying to cover a whole semester in 3 months, so that we can reach the we can follow the routine of NITs and IITs, so that we can also get internship in colleges. IITs and NITs are easily. Last times they had faced some issues, like they have to give 2 months extra to for internships. So this time they are trying to cover whole semester in 3 months, means 3 to 4 months, as the semester is 6 months. Well, yeah, October, November, December, January. Our semester will end, means fifth semester. After that, they will take one midsem in October, Feb, March. After that, they will give 2 months break for internships. Then we will just continue with similar way. So, okay, guys. Yeah, let's finish one topic. But I have know your audience as that the topics in that book. So I have covered one questions in that, the target, who am I talking to, as you are my friends. And second is knowledge assessment on this subject. What do they know and what would they like to know? So that's the things we are reading. Okay, I will cover those things. And as my target was to complete two lectures from irrigations, one chapter PIQ from environmental, and one lecture from RCC. So I have 40 to 45 minutes videos left in irrigation. So that's I'm going to complete. And today is my rest day, so I haven't do exercises and all. So it's okay. From next day I will do 100 push up, 100 squats, 100 uh, push up, a squat, and any core exercise like sit-ups and I don't know the name, but yeah, b shapes and all those things I will do from next day. And I think I have to target specific muscles like chest, back, and legs, so that I can be look stronger. And yeah, that's important. And from tomorrow I will focus on bulking. So that's why I live going to running. I'm not going to running. Yeah, someday I will go for just video shoot. But no, I'm not going for run, because as I have run for 3 days, 3 kilometers, then I feel I'm losing my weights. So I'm not going for running. So okay, guys, see you next day with full discipline. Okay, thank you, guys. Great, thank you, Jarvis. I know. Okay, see you. Good night, bro.